In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your Gmail inbox by attachment size. Have you ever found your inbox bogged down with emails that have large attachments, but struggled to find them to clear some space? Well, you're in luck. Today I'll guide you through a straightforward method to filter and manage those hefty emails using a simple search trick. First, it's important to note that Gmail doesn't offer a built-in button to sort emails by attachment size. Instead, we will be using special search keywords that will help us pinpoint the emails we need. This approach is both quick and efficient, making it easy to declutter your inbox. To start, you'll need to access your Gmail account from a computer. While you can use this method via the mobile Gmail app, the desktop experience offers a bit more ease and functionality for this particular task. Once you're logged into your account, look for the search bar at the top of the Gmail homepage. This is where the magic happens. Now in the search bar, type in the phrase "has attachment larger 5 MB." Here, 5 MB is simply an example size. Feel free to adjust the number based on your needs, whether it's 10 MB, 20 MB, or any size you choose. Ensure that you include the letters MB immediately following the number with no space in between. This search syntax is specifically tailored to find emails with attachments exceeding your specified size. Once you've typed your preferred search syntax, press the Enter key. This will trigger Gmail to sift through your inbox and display only those emails with attachments that match your criteria. It's a super handy way to zero in on large files without manually scouring through hundreds of emails. Now that you've got your search results, you can decide how to manage these emails. If you're looking to free up space, consider deleting emails that you no longer need. But before you do, make sure to download any important attachments that you might wish to keep for future reference. Simply click on the download icon next to the attachment to save it to your device. By following these simple steps, you can effectively sort through your inbox to find and manage emails with large attachments. This not only helps clear up valuable space, but also enhances the overall organization of your Gmail account. Remember, keeping a tidy inbox can vastly improve your email efficiency and reduce the stress of finding important messages when you need them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If it has, be sure to give it a try and let us know how it worked out for you. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.